It's time to wake up and see the future. An amazing new smart lock lets you enter your home without needing a key. A new directional speaker will also let you enjoy the big game without disturbing those around you. All this and more, right here on Future Tech. Fidget Moire. Fidget spinners may have been the coolest tech gift a few years ago, but the Fidget Moire truly takes things to the next level. This amazing little gadget is built with a propeller and a multi-layer image that will change as you spin it. You can clip this fidget spinner on your home, car vent, or just play it within the palm of your hand. It is available in a variety of different varieties with tons of images to choose from. You can own anything from a spaceship that is soaring around the solar system to a koi fish jumping across a river. There are so many different designs to pick from. These spinners do not require any batteries or additional accessories, and you can have anything from a basic red and white image to a full color image that takes up the entire face of the spinner. They have been successfully funded on Kickstarter, so if you're looking to spice up your fidget spinner collection, you better act quickly before they're gone. Keymitt Smart Lock. Carrying around a ring full of keys can be tedious, dangerous, and cumbersome at times. There are many new types of smart locks on the market, but the Keymitt Smart Lock does things differently. Most locks require a key code or special NFC card to enter your home. But the Keymitt is a totally unique system that uses nothing more than your phone and Bluetooth to interface with the lock, giving you a truly hands-free experience. With this lock, you'll never have to take your phone or smartwatch out of your pocket. Just walk up to your door and it will automatically unlock. This lock attaches to the inside of your door, so if you prefer to keep a keyhole available on the outside for guests or family, you can still do that. However, the lock on the inside of the door will turn anytime a compatible NFC device comes near, giving you a seamless and fast way to enter your home without fumbling for keys. SRAY Speaker. The all-new SRAY speaker is a new type of directional speaker that only projects sound directly in front of it. This would be perfect for areas like museums when you need to install multiple speakers without disrupting guests who may be on the other side of the room. The speaker connects through Bluetooth, meaning it is compatible with almost any modern smart device. It is easy to use, and the battery will remain charged for many hours. This would be perfect for a game day when you want to watch the game on television without disturbing your family. Place the speaker on a table or object in front of you, and only you will be able to hear the sound. If you plan on going on a long car ride when your passenger may be sleeping, this would ensure that you can hear your radio and GPS without disturbing anyone else in the car. Just mount the speaker to your dash and you're ready to go. Riomee. As we go through our daily life, we often touch more items than we could ever imagine. This spreads germs to those around us and gets us sick very easily. However, with Riomee, you can now disinfect your home without using harsh chemicals that may leave behind stains or powerful odors. Riomee can sanitize any object using nothing but ultraviolet light. These lights are super powerful and can kill germs in just a few seconds. With Riomee, you can even use it to sanitize the contents of your purse or book bag, or clip it onto your toothbrush to eliminate harmful bacteria that may cause bad breath. When you're done sanitizing, just use the built-in USB charger to power it up for next time. This tiny little device can fit into any pocket and can be taken anywhere you go, allowing you to quickly and easily sanitize the world around you so that you and your family can remain safe throughout your day. Passport Go. Never before has there been a device that you can take anywhere in the world that will allow you to charge all of your devices in one place. The Passport Go was designed for the busy traveler who needs to have an all-in-one place to keep their most important belongings safe and fully charged. This amazing device can adapt to fit into any outlet all around the world, giving you a series of dip switches to best choose the outlet you need access to. This lets you quickly and easily choose the outlet style you need. Plug the outlet into the wall, and recharge all of your USB and standard wall outlet devices. When you're done, just toss it in your bag and take it to your next destination. There has never been an easier way to travel the globe with a single power solution that will have you covered no matter where you end up. You can now travel from Europe to Australia to the United States without ever having to invest in more than one wall adapter. STRIG. Getting a nice massage doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, you don't even have to leave your home or have anyone help you rub out your sore muscles from a long day of work. With STRIG, you can now give yourself a deep tissue massage in no time. There are no cables, no removable components, or anything that may break down over time. This intelligently designed massager fits perfectly across almost every muscle in your body, giving you a handle to push deep into the muscle tissue, while vibrating motions help to alleviate sore muscles that can cause extreme pain if they are left unchecked. STRIG is easily rechargeable, so you'll always know you have what you need to work out any sore muscles after a long day at the office or spending time at the gym. If you've been looking for a great solution to end your daily aches and pains while fitting perfectly into a strict budget, STRIG is the massager for you. Rubber Band Minigun. Many of these devices may help in your day-to-day activities, but sometimes it's good to just have some old-fashioned fun. And that's exactly what this device was designed to do. This rubber band minigun was built out of wood and was designed to let you wreak havoc all around your office or home. You can load up to 144 rubber bands into this gun and completely unload on your colleagues or family members. Yeah, it'll sting, but no one will get hurt. This is a great way to take out frustrations with someone and lighten the mood at the same time. These guns are built with super simple components, so they won't break down as the years go by. All you have to do is load them up and pull the trigger, and you can unleash the fury of 1,000 suns onto any unsuspecting victim. Gemio. If you're out at a club late at night, or even doing something simple like walking your dog, it is always best to be safe by wearing protective clothing that helps you be easily visible to passing motorists or pedestrians. This is where Gemio comes in. This is a light-up wristband that comes in many different colors and designs, so that you can make sure you'll be seen no matter where you are. These bands are designed to fit virtually anyone, and they come with replaceable snap-in design pieces that you could share with friends to create custom designs that everyone will love. Grab 2 bands of different varieties and create interesting designs, or swap the tiles out entirely to create an all-new band. The choice is yours. Just stay safe and make sure you're always wearing reflective clothing or lighted gear when walking around late at night. Teno. This is one of the world's most beautiful wireless speakers. This speaker doubles as a lamp and looks like a chunk of rock that has been cracked wide open. You can adjust the intensity of the light to your own personal preference, giving you many ways to customize the appearance. You can pair Teno to your smartphone and use it to answer phone calls or play music with your friends. Best of all, you can even pair 2 of them together to get a stereo sound effect, perfect for home theaters or television. When you're done using Teno, just place it on the magnetic charger so it can be powered up and ready to use the next time you need it.